Cavs Clobber Celts in preseason opener. Love leads the way, Sexton impresses in NBA debut. Wrap up Tuesday's preseason opener wasn't so much about facing the Celtics, although it felt great to come back and drop Boston again in Cleveland's first visit since winning Game 7 of the ECF. It was more about how the new-look Cavaliers would fare in their first outing together. And although the first team only played the first half, the results were positive across the first three periods, with Kevin Love grabbing his new role as the squad's leader and top pick Collin Sexton playing WITH total confidence as Cleveland dominated Boston, 102-95, in a game nowhere near as close as the final score would indicate. Love and Rodney Hood each came out aggressive on Tuesday night and Cleveland ran out to a double-digit lead to end the first quarter. The Celtics, playing their third preseason game and without the services of Kyrie Irving, were sluggish all night with Jaylen Brown as the only Boston starter in double figures. The Cavaliers had their legs in this one, grabbing that double-digit lead early and holding it until both coaches tied their benches in the fourth quarter. Boston got within 5 in the final minute, but Isaiah Taylor put the finishing touches on the affair with a pretty floater to end the scoring. Kevin Love was rock solid in the win, leading both squads with 17 points on 5 of 10 shooting, including 2 of 3 from long range and 5 of 7 from the stripe. Love, who got a post-game visit from his uncle, the Beach Boys' Mike Love, also notched 4 boards and a steal in 18 productive minutes of work. Collin Sexton, this past June's 8th overall pick, looked like he'd been doing it for years, following up YTH 15 points. The young Bull went 5 of 11 from the floor and 2 of 3 from deep, tallying 3 boards and an assist in just under 23 minutes off the bench. David NWABA and Jordan Clarkson each added a dozen points of their own off the bench, with NWABA hitting on 4 of the 5 shots he attempted, and Clarkson going 5 of 8 after hitting all 3 attempts before intermission. Sophomore Sadie Osman had a nice all-around effort, chipping in with 11 points to go with 7 boards and a team-high 4 assists. Rodney Hood rounded out the Cavaliers in double figures with 10 points in the win. Boston was paced by a pair of reserves as well, with Marcus Smart 15 points, and Marcus Morris 14, leading the way. Cavs Clobber Celts in preseason opener. Love leads the way, Sexton impresses in NBA debut.